What's up, fam? Welcome again to Orkis Garage. Today I'm doing a fuel filter for 1994 Ford Ranger. I bought this K&N fuel filter. Before I take off this, I have to release the pressure. In able to release the pressure, I have to disconnect the inertia switch and start the car and let it run until it died. Also, once it died, release the fuel cup. So just to make sure you are completely off the pressure, I'm going to show you where's the inertia switch on the passenger side. Sorry, I just get the truck. It's all dirty. So it's on the passenger side. It's on the foot rest. This one right here is the inertia switch right here. So I just have to disconnect that. I just have to disconnect this one, disconnect the switch, and let the truck run. Okay, I'm almost there. Come on, baby. Almost there. Okay, take it off. The inertia switch right here, and then I just have to run the truck until it died. The inertia switch is on this side, on the footwell right here, but this one 1993 is on the middle one right here. Okay, so let's start the truck. Okay, so now I think that's it. So I cannot start the car. Okay, that's fine. And then you have to disconnect the battery, and then first take up the gas cap, release more of the pressure, take it off, and then open the hood, take up the battery terminal, negative, take up the negative one, and then once you take this one, we are safely to work on the fuel filter. Okay. It's 12. You take it in. And then, so the fuel filter is on the driver's side. On this side, I'll show it to you. Let me just set up everything. Filter is this one right here. So you have to take, I think this is 12, 2 nuts for the cover, and then it's easy right here. First we have to get some what you call this, safety glasses first before we take this one. Alright guys, it's 13. Over 13. Okay, so this one is really easy because it's bolted over here. We just have to get the lock. There's 2 lock over here. That's this one right here. There's the lock. That one. Let me try to set up my camera so you guys can see it. Right here. I just have to get the flat screw, get the lock. Okay. Okay. think that's the way they are. And I have to get the the fuel line key. Maybe have to put more WD-40 because it's all rusty. Let me take off that clamp. Basically it's all clamped to this housing right here, or the bracket. So now I just have to get my fuel line disconnector. I'm not sure what's the size. Oh. Let me back up a little bit just to make sure. Oh, okay. So the lock is basically just this. I just have to take up the lock right here. Other one I broke it, so I have the new one. Comes with a box. Oh. Wait. Wanted to get the cut. Okay, so now I have my drain bucket. I have to drain it. Please. And then disconnect the other side. There's my flat screw. Flat screws right here. Then have the cover, and then this is the new fuel filter, and it comes with a new lock right here. So just have to Okay, it's out. Okay, there's more. You just have to turn one, and then lock this one. Okay. Let me see how it works. I think it's on the other side. Okay. Okay, put the first one. Okay, it's locked. This one. Oh, that's the way they are. Okay. Put another lock. And then we just have to cycle the ignition later. Come on. Okay, so everything is locked right here. You guys can see it, and then on the side too. So now I have to put the bracket. Okay, here. Basically, it's easy job. You just have to know what you're doing. Then oh, it's 8. Make sure I get a center. Get center first before I put the nut. And then you have to check if there's the leak. Okay, that's why there's a wiring harness that's come on. This side, this one, got it. Everything's not moving. Connect the negative battery, and then from here we just have to connect our inertia switch. Okay, everything's plugged in, I think. And then reconnect our negative battery with our gas cup. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna put, because so I can build more pressure, suck more air. Connect my negative battery, get everything. Yeah, sorry, I just had to just put this one. So I don't want air, I want like the actual gas. Okay, and then cycle the ignition. And I hear the bus. And check underneath, make sure there's no leak. Let's check underneath. There's no leak, everything's good. Let me try to fire the car. Everything. Let's see. So when I bought the car, it had a toggle switch because they say they burned the switch something. Okay, it works. So now I'm gonna get some gas and go to Costco and put my CATACLEAN because the car cannot pass the smog. Check underneath again for leaks. No leak, everything's good. Alright guys, so there's no leak, everything's good. I think that's good. So it's easy, probably takes me about 30 minutes. The most important is your put back and reconnect your inertia switch, or if not, it's not gonna fire up the car. I think the inertia switch safety, I think, is like once you get into an accident, I think the fuel pump shut off itself to prevent the fire, just in case. I think that's the purpose of it. So mostly American has it. I never seen on Asian one, but if you seen Asian inertia switch, so for the Asian cars, if you've seen inertia switch, so just comment below because I never seen it yet. So alright guys, I'll see you again for next video. Thank you again for your support, and to all the subscriber, thank you. I'll see you again.